Here's a clear step-by-step guide on how to set up the Prime Cab, taxi booking and car rental WordPress theme. Setting up Prime Cab theme. 1. Obtain and prepare the theme. Make sure you've downloaded the theme package from the original developer, Themes Jungle via TemplateMonster, not unauthorized sources. TemplateMonster. Wowgpl. Verify the package includes theme files, typically a.zip. Documentation/manual. Optional, sample/demo content, often an XML file. 2. Install WordPress and verify requirements. Confirm your hosting environment meets the requirements. PHP version 7.4 up to 8.x, e.g., 8.0 plus. WordPress compatibility up to 6.0 plus. rms3.templates.com. TemplateMonster. Install WordPress on your server if not already done, via auto-installer in your host or manual.